do the boot too. Boots get tight. Next we want to adjust the pelvis. We look the leg length here to evaluate what the pelvis is doing. A lot of times the pelvis will rock backwards like this and this leg pulls short. So just gently set the drop here. Just a nice easy drop. There we go. Mid back, nice little breath in. Breathe out. Stretch the neck here. Nice little stretch. This way. Nice little stretch. All right, so you roll over here. We'll reset the table here for you. Put your stuff there. Let's go face up. We want to traction out both hips for him here. So make sure you hold on so I'll pull you off the table here. Nice leg, nice little stretch. Good. These hips and low back, they all get tight from carrying the pregnancy because the weight shifts forward here, so just want traction open. One more. Good. Let's just adjust the circle spine here. Nice. Nice little stretch right there. All right, take a stand up. Maybe face this direction. This can help to really stretch out the neck and the shoulders there. Hands behind the head. Head down a little bit. Good, hands top line. Arms together a little bit. Good. Relax the neck, do a little stretch here. There we go. All right, you're all set.